Now see here atomic spectra. Atomic spectra is here, actually we are going to do here the two types of atomic spectra. One is here called emission line spectra, emission line spectrum, and another is called absorption line spectrum. Now, when you take gas or gases or vapor at low pressure usually, and when electricity is passed through it and the spectrum is obtained of the radiations emitted by the gases. When we get this spectrum of the gases, what happen here? We get on the screen the few bright lines with the dark background. This type of the spectrum is known as emission line spectrum, because every atom of gas can emit particular wavelength or the certain wavelength. All the wavelengths cannot be emitted by a gas. So, the certain wavelength or the particular colors of the the light can be emitted by the certain gases. So, this type of spectrum is taken as emission line spectrum. Similarly, when white light is passed through the same gas. So, when white light is passed through the same gas, we get again a spectrum, but here we get the few dark lines on with the bright backgrounds. So, here in absorption line, the background is here the bright and here the dark lines are obtained. It means the light or the the wavelength which are emitted by the gas, that gas can also absorb these wavelengths. So, when the white light is passed through it, certain wavelengths are absorbed by the gases, because of that few dark lines are obtained. So, this is about the emission line spectrum and absorption line spectrum.